Hi guys, this is duplicating a key by the use of a Laggard HPC Code A Key cutting machine. This machine is using a card, and I am using a universal card which I already assigned the cut of any key which we are using, and I make a chart on that side there. That is for Cisa double profile and Cisa 285-75 padlock. So in this example I will use a Cisa key on how to duplicate it by the use of a card on a Code A Key machine. First, you have to determine the cut of the key, and I have made a gauge for Cisa. Also, a Cisa gauge is available in the market also, but what I did is I made one for myself, so I have to read the cut of the key in order to duplicate it. Alright, so that is 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. So I will write it down on a piece of paper. Three, 5, 2, 3, 5. So 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Okay. On cutting on this kind of machine, for a Cisa, you can use a Yale 226 in replacing or substituting the original key Cisa for a double profile. Make sure they have the same keyway, because there is a left and also right for this kind of keyway. So try to determine the correct key, and should be the same length. If it is a 5 pins, you use a Yale 226 which is also 5 pin. Alright, so we put it in a vise. Okay, and there is a guide here, you have to use it to the shoulder of the key. Bring it down, and then this is the protector for the eyes. Then you have to read the charts of Cisa, and you can apply it on this Code A Key machine. Say that is 3, so the space is 175. By the way, this is a universal card I'm using. There are new cards now which is exclusively for Cisa only, but right now this is an old card, so we use the card to say universal card, and I just assign the space and the dip on the key. Right. So let's get started. Space is 175. Dip is 3, which is 3 is 250 on the universal card. Okay, that is 250. Second space is 335, and the dip of the card is 5. 5 on the chart is 200. gauge meter is on the 400, and the third cut is 495, right? And number 2 bit is 280. Okay, that is 280. And the fourth cut is fourth space is 650. And the deep cut is 3, which is equivalent to 250 on the universal cut. And the fifth space is 810, and the dip is 5, which is on my chart is equivalent to 200. Okay, the gauge is 200, and that is a thick cut. Okay.